Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can create a new account on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and apps. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. So basically guys, right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps. Right here, as you can see guys, in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media. Right here, you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, if you want to create a new account on the PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and click on your profile icon. And then here, you're gonna find online status, profile, trophies, switch user, and lastly, logouts. Go ahead and click on switch user, and then here you're gonna find all of the users you have. So right now, go ahead and click on add user. And then once you do that, right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find three options. Here you're gonna find add a user to this PS5. Here you can either sign in or quick play. Here under add a user to this PlayStation 5, go ahead and click on get started. And then right here, as you can see guys, you need to read the PlayStation 5 system software license agreement, and if you agree, go ahead and check this box to say you agree, and then click on confirm. Once you do that, right here, as you can see guys, in the bottom, you're gonna find create an account. Click on create an account, and then just wait for the page to load. Then go ahead and choose your country and region. Click on next, choose your date of birth, and also go ahead and click on next to go to the next page. Here you can add your sign-in ID or email address. For example, I'm gonna type this email address, tutorial dot or tutorial at gmail.com, like this. And then once you add your email address, go ahead and click on done. And then go ahead and add your password. For example, I'm gonna type password like this, and then confirm your password. And once you do that, go ahead and click on done. Make sure the password is valid, and then you're gonna click on next. Then you're gonna be able to go to the next step, and you're gonna be able to create your account. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.